In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the audio track in VLC Media Player. This is super useful if you're watching a movie or video that has multiple languages, commentary tracks, or different audio options, and you want to switch between them easily. VLC is one of the most popular media players because it supports almost every file format, and changing audio tracks is quick once you know where to look. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software how-to guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, load the media file you want to watch. You can do this by clicking on Media in the top left corner, then selecting Open File, or you can simply drag and drop your video file directly into the VLC window. As soon as the video starts playing, you're ready to change the audio track. Next, look at the top menu bar in VLC. Click on the Audio tab. This menu controls everything related to sound, including audio tracks, audio devices, and stereo modes. When you click on Audio, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, move your cursor to Audio Track. When you hover over Audio Track, another side menu will open, showing you all the available audio tracks embedded in the video file. Depending on the file, these may be labeled as Track 1, Track 2, or they may show language names like English, Spanish, French, or director's commentary. Now, simply click on the audio track you want to use. As soon as you select it, VLC will immediately switch to that audio track without restarting the video. You can listen for a moment to confirm that the correct language or audio option is playing. If it's not the one you want, just repeat the same steps and select a different track. If you don't see multiple audio tracks listed, that usually means the video file only contains one audio track. In that case, there won't be any additional options to switch to. However, for most movies, TV shows, and professionally encoded videos, multiple audio tracks are very common. Here's a quick bonus tip. You can also change audio tracks using a right-click shortcut. While the video is playing, right-click anywhere on the video screen, go to Audio, then Audio Track, and choose your preferred track from there. This can be faster if you don't want to use the top menu bar. And that's it. You've successfully changed the audio track in VLC Media Player. It's a simple feature, but it makes a huge difference when watching multilingual content or switching to a better audio mix. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow VLC and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.